Most parents give probiotic drops to babies without knowing if they actually work. If your baby has colic, gas, diarrhea, or cries for hours, you may have heard about probiotic drops for infants. Probiotic drops contains good bacteria that help balance your baby's gut, especially after birth, antibiotics, or formula feeding. Probiotic drops may help with colic and excessive crying, gas and bloating, diarrhea, stronger digestion, and immunity. Most infants' probiotic drops are given once daily, usually 5 drops, but the exact dose depends on age and brand. Always check the label or ask your pediatrician. Probiotics are generally safe, but some babies may have mild gas, temporary bloating. Stop use if symptoms worsen. Never give probiotics to premature babies or infants with weak immunity system without medical advice. If this helped you, like, subscribe and share with parents who need this.